Where is the line between dreaming and feeling blue? It's 4 o'clock in the evening. I haven't left my room, but the truth is, if I'm honest, I feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Nothing ever felt as good or as easy as when we were young. Oh, though I felt misunderstood, it was a pleasure running away with you. We were just children acting like adults, crazy, naive, bold and carefree. We were kids having kids, crazy, naive. It amazes me that we didn't fall apart harder than we did. Now they keep us on speaking terms. We grow and we learn. I have no regrets, only forgets. Oh, a big thank you to life for giving us sand. Oh, when the timing's right, there's no wasteland. Oh, we were just children acting like adults, crazy, naive, bold and carefree. We were kids having kids, crazy, naive. It amazes me that we didn't fall apart harder than we did. Life keeps on moving. It's cold. Yes, life goes on changing. That we didn't fall apart harder than we. There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way. Promise me that you know. You got me like in a box. I adore everything you touch. Say, do you believe that we were meant to be? My body craves identity. Green mango peach, what a tease. Calling me like the rainbow. Oh, pretty please take it easy. No one likes push and shove skies. I'm staring deep into your green eyes. But two is one, so we begin. Oh, I follow you till the end, my darling. Green mango peach, what a tease. Color me like the rainbow. Oh, pretty please, take it easy. No one likes pushing short, let go of control of all you think you know and how you want us to be. Oh, let go. You got me like in a box. I adore everything you touch. Say, do you believe that we were meant to be? My body craves identity. Green mango peach, what a tease. Color me like the rainbow. Oh, pretty please, take it easy. No one loves